Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to bone a chicken thigh. Hello guys, my name is James Howe, welcome back to my masterclass, and today I'm going to be showing you how to bone a chicken thigh, separate it from a drumstick, and also introduce you to your third knife of the course, which is a boning knife. If you are looking for a comprehensive cookery course completely free on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and follow my masterclass playlist. So with that being said, let's get on with the task at hand. Okay, so the knife, a boning knife, similar to the filleting knife, similar size, but the blade is different. It's a lot stronger, a lot sturdier, with a lot sharper point. If you go back to the very first lesson where I showed you how to sharpen a knife, this knife is best suited to this method. It's a lot safer, and it just seems to work better with the shape, I find. Okay, so onto the chicken. First thing we need to do is to identify where the knuckle is. Now I know it's somewhere in here. You can kind of make out the shape. The easiest way to do this is to pop the bone. Grab each end quite firmly and pop the bone out. You can probably hear that popping noise then as I did it. You see the bone just sticking through the meat there, and then with your knife follow the gap and just slice down, and just tuck the skin, one drumstick, roll the skin again, one thigh, and same for the other. Pop, find the seam, slice down. Now we have two drumsticks, two thighs. So the drumsticks, they can go to one side. I'm going to pop these in this bowl, ready for the practice dish later on. Onto the thigh, you lay it out on your chopping board. You'll see the bone just appear through the meat. Similar to the filleting technique, we'll want to follow it with the tip of the knife. Follow it down each side until you can grab each side of the bone, be able to lift the thigh from the board. Now, with that extra bit of leverage, tip of the knife underneath the bone, up top and reverse, bone off, one thigh. Trim the skin a little bit, make it a bit neater. Often you get a little lump of fat like that, just trim that off and then just roll it up. And again, just into the bowl. Same for the next one. Follow the bone, lift test, underneath, slide off and whip off, trim and roll. So there you have it guys, another essential skill and another knife introduced. Please have a practice and let me know how you get on. I really do appreciate the feedback. Once again, if you are enjoying these videos or you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe and come back for more weekly cookery lessons. Our next couple of videos will be following on from these last two skills, and we'll be going on to some practice dishes. But for now, thank you very much. I'll see you soon.